Conversation 1.
Oh no! Did you get the latest company email?
No, I didn't. What does it say?
The boss wrote the following. Due to the recent health crisis, I'm afraid that the company holiday party is canceled.
I am not surprised that he did that. The writing was on the wall.
Do you think they will close the offices?
It's doubtful that would happen, but you never know.
Conversation 2.
Hey, before I forget, I'm afraid that I can't play next week.
That's too bad. What happened? You never miss our games.
Yeah, this will be a first for me, but I have to work late next week.
Well, I hope that you can come back in 2 weeks. We would hate to miss you 2 weeks in a row.
I should be back. I'm sorry that I won't be able to make it.
No worries. See you in 2 weeks.
Conversation 3.
Hey, did you hear about Jill? She quit this morning.
Yeah, I heard she got a new job.
Yeah, she gets to work from home and she will get paid a lot more.
I'm so jealous that she gets to work from home.
Me too. And I'm sad that she won't be around the office anymore.
Yes, it won't be the same without her.
Conversation 4.
I was talking to Susan today, and she said that her daughter got into college.
Oh, that's great. She must be very excited.
Yes, she's thrilled that she got into a good college. But she's a bit worried too.
What is she so worried about?
Typical mom stuff. She's worried she'll be all right living alone.
Her daughter will be fine. It's all a part of growing up.
Yeah, I think she knows that. I think that she's also sad that her daughter will be far from home.
Yeah, that's tough for any parent.